I know I'm tired. I forgot to push the button to start recording. Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, the one, the only, the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I got awakened by Fluffy at 4 in the morning. I got about a half an hour of sleep after that. And I excused my hair. It got somewhat soaking wet, and I have to wash my hair now because when I got out of the Safeway, got off the bus, it was pouring rain. Went to Safeway, it was pouring rain. Waited out for the bus. Luckily, I only had to wait for the bus about 2 minutes, but I had to get off the bus and walk home 3 blocks. So I'm pretty wiped. All right. I forgot in the last video, I went to the bank and got a roll of quarters. So now I have 2 rolls of quarters. That means it's time for coin roll hunting. I doubt I'm going to find these silver. I haven't so far. I'm going to have to go back through my videos to see exactly how many of these things I've actually gone through. It must be about $400. And I keep seeing guys buy boxes of halves and dollars and dimes and pennies. And now the latest thing, guy did a video. Look for the 2008 penny special. And some can be worth a lot of money. Denver Mint or something. Oh, God. All right. So here we go. All right. There's the first step. Nothing. So what I'm going to do, there's a big box of laundry in the corner. I'm going to take that out this week after they do my sink, and I can clean the kitchen. They're doing the sink tomorrow. I'm going to go wash all that and get the box out. There's 2. Put the box in the very back of the bedroom. There is 3. There is 4. Nothing, nothing, nothing. 1 quarter looks thicker than the other quarters, which is odd. The copper on this one looks bigger than the copper on that one. I don't know why. It's a 1994, and this is a... I don't know what year this one is. It's just a state quarter, but I don't... Oh, 1999. I wonder why that one looks thicker than that one. Anyway. All right, let's try the other one. I think I've gone about $400 on these, and I have and several rolls of halves, and I haven't found any silver. Spectacular, good channel. He bought 2 coins. They were fake. He took them back to the coin dealer, got his money back. Really like his stuff. So, nothing. Oops, just dropped one. Nothing. Nothing. Boy, it's bouncing out of the thing here. And finally, the last batch, nothing. There you go. 20 bucks in quarters, no silver. So either I'm unlucky or all these coin roll hunting where they take rolls of quarters are all BS and nobody finds any silver at all for real. It's just clickbait. Okay, that's it for the night. I'm going to have I'll do a video eating this chicken parmesan. I don't think I've ever had it before. Then I'm going to crash and burn for the night. And later on I will go down, if it ever stops raining, and I will go feed Mama Cat and Kitten their wet food. But I need some sleep. The quarter though. There it is. But I have laundry money. So I can do some towels and some shirts or whatever, and socks, and there it is, 20 bucks. So, okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. I hope it's not raining or snowing where you are, or cold, or windy. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hopefully you're warm and dry, and stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.